Hi guys, it's James from FXX, and in this video we're going to have a look at some of MetaTrader 4's more advanced tools. We'll cover expert advisors, how to set price alerts, and how to review your own trading performance inside the platform. These are all features that can help you automate parts of your trading and stay informed and track your results more effectively. So without further ado, if you do enjoy this video and find it useful, please do like, comment and subscribe. Otherwise, let's get into it. So, expert advisors are essentially automated trading programs that can help traders open, manage and close trades based on specific rules. Now, where do you find expert advisors? These can be from certain websites online or through the Market tab directly in the MetaTrader app. So, you can browse different expert advisors. Some are free, some aren't, and these are all from the MQL4 marketplace. Now, a quick disclaimer, please be careful which EA you opt for and always test on a demo account. Past performance is not always indicative of future results, so always be careful when you are using expert advisors, trading robots, whether you buy them through MQL4 or through other means. So once you've found the expert advisor you wish to try out on a demo account or use in the live markets, how do we activate it? How do we place it on our charts? So there are a couple of ways you can do this. One through the navigator box here. Now, once you download an expert advisor and drag it into the platform, you will find it here under expert advisors. This will be placed below the indicators section in the navigator box. Simply drag the expert advisor you wish to use. Normally, dependent on the expert advisor that you choose, you will have certain parameters that you need to select, fill in. Always allow DLL imports as well, otherwise it may not work correctly. Once you're happy with all the relevant inputs, again, these will be different based on whichever expert advisor you use. Press OK, and in the top right-hand corner, you will see the name of the EA pop up on the chart. Now, I want to draw your attention to the smiley face next to the name. If we have a smiley face, it means the EA is running smoothly. The reason it normally isn't is if auto trading is turned off. Now you can see this button here is now turned off. Therefore, automated trading, expert advisors, trading robots won't work. So you can see that that happy face has turned to a sad face, and we don't want that. So once you click auto trading back on, this will turn back to a happy face, and you know your expert advisor is running smoothly. Now, folks, we all have busy lives, and sometimes you won't be able to stare at the chart all the time. But this is why MT4 has a built-in alerts function. So to head to alerts, you can head to the alerts tab in the trading terminal. As you can see now, we don't have any alerts created. The easiest way to create an alert is right-click on the chart, click trading, and head to alert. This will then create an alert automatically for you. So if price does tag this level, you will be alerted to have a look at your chart. If you want to edit these parameters, you can do so by double clicking it or right clicking it here in the alerts box and clicking modify. Here you can change the symbol, sound, expiration dates, the various different price points, and how many times you'll be alerted. You can also be alerted at a certain time as well. So there's plenty of stuff you can do here if you don't have the time to look at your charts all the time, but want to be alerted when price hits a certain price point. This alerts section is all built in for you. Now, the last function I want to show you, and this is really, really important, it's about tracking your trade history and performance reports. Now, we did dip a little bit into this in episode 1, so if you haven't watched that, and that's an overall platform tutorial and navigation around the platform, then I would suggest you go and watch that. So performance tracking can all be done using the terminal box at the bottom. Here you'll obviously see your current open trades, but if you head to the account history tab, you'll be able to break down of your past history. You can right click this and set it to a custom period. You can set it to the last month, last 3 months, whichever time frame you please. The other cool feature is you can right click and save as report. Now, this is great if you're looking for potential investors. It creates a nice statement for you, which shows in detail your account history over your desired period of time. So it's quite a cool function. It's as simple as that, and then you just save it as a file, and you can share it with whoever you wish. And it's a really good way of keeping track of your progress over a certain time. So I thought I would just touch into that as well, just to make sure you guys are aware. So that's the end of this tutorial session. If you haven't, go back and watch the other 3 as well. There's some really good nuggets of information in there. Today we've covered expert advisors, how to find them, how to add them, and to ensure that the auto trading button is switched on. We've covered alerts, how to trigger them and how to set them and amend them, and obviously some performance history as well here. So hopefully it's been really useful for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you at the sharp end.